Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And as you can see, I'm joined by a very special guest. Today I'm here with my dad.
Wagwan, everybody.
And so today, as you can see, we're not in the regular Sister Girl Tuesday studios, but I'm in California spending some time with friends and family, and we are gonna make a very special recipe. We're gonna make something near and dear to my heart. We're gonna make Jamaican rice and peas, and I had to bring in an authentic expert. I'm bringing in my Jamaican father to show you about rice and peas. Dad, tell the people something they should know about rice and peas.
That's right, Sister Girl. You said the operative word, rice and peas. Because you see, if you hear it any other way, like peas and rice or any of those things, it ain't real. And it won't taste right. So it has to be rice and peas. And today, take a quick look and see how we do it in Jamaica. All right?
Alright, so if you want to see how we make rice and peas, just stay tuned. And before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.
Big up yourself.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and cut up your green onion, and it's important that you save the stem because it's all going in the pot. So we're adding in our water. We used roughly about 2.5–3 cups of water. And then you're going to go ahead and add in your beans, and it's really important to keep the brine or the juice that the beans come in to give your rice and peas that authentic coloring. So you'll add a little coconut oil to make sure it doesn't stick together, and then you'll add some coconut milk for flavor. So it's important that your stovetop is set to high because we need all of this to come to a boil. So we'll add in our onion, our pepper. We got a little thyme going on here, dried thyme or fresh thyme, as long as you got it. And then go ahead and add in those green onions that you cut up earlier. And then we've got some dried Jamaican jerk seasoning that we're gonna add for added flavor. And our final two ingredients are going to be a little bit of some pimento or allspice and then some salt. So this part here is really important. This is what my dad calls like making the broth. Basically, when you're making rice and peas, before you add your rice, it should taste like soup broth. And as long as your soup broth is seasoned and good, your rice will be good. So he's just adding a little bit more water. And as you can see, everything is starting to come to a boil. And since it is, we're gonna go ahead and turn our stove down to low before we go ahead and add in our rice. So we've got about 1.5 cups of rice going in. You can use whatever kind of rice as long as it's white rice. So jasmine, basmati, long grain, and rich rice, it doesn't matter. And then you just wanna give everything a good stir before putting your lid on it. And then once it all cooks, it should come out looking like this. This is what good rice and peas should look like. My dad says that this is like shelly, so like the rice breaks apart easily, the peas are like cracked, so that means that they cooked. And that is what some good rice and peas should look like. Let me know in the comment section what you like to eat with your rice and peas.
Some filming on the California style up in the country.
All types of California today with the top down and the whole little situation, I say.